What up, Blockheads? This is Blockhead with the Blockhead channel where you can... Hey, this is Blockhead with the Blockhead channel where you can watch moto vlogs, installs, reviews, and more. Welcome to the first look at REAX Tasker leather gloves, available at RevZilla.com. Today, in the review video, I'm going to be looking at REAX's Tasker leather gloves, provided by RevZilla.com. Video is brought to you guys by RevZilla. If you guys haven't heard of them before, I'd be really surprised. They do offer lots, just absolute tons of motorcycle parts and accessories. I mean, just pretty much anything. Anything you want for motorcycles, you can find it at RevZilla.com. So you guys be sure to go check them out. Big thanks to RevZilla for sending out some stuff. We got a review on the Folsom REAX black leather jacket. We're doing the gloves right now, and then in another video, we're gonna have the REAX 215 riding jeans in raw denim. So this video here, we're going over these gloves that they sent us. I am gonna be reviewing these on a ride, so while I'm riding, I'm gonna be telling you guys about them. But before we get to that part, let's go ahead and unpackage them, and then I'll get some beautiful shots of them, talk about some of the specs, and we'll go from there. Man, once you start talking in that RevZilla voice, I just want to continue talking about it like that. Here we have REAX's Tasker leather gloves. They come in this plastic stuff with a silica tag, so there's no moisture inside of it. Keeps them nice and dry, just in case there's some moisture in the shipment. I have no idea how Anthony does that and maintains that level of energy. Man, do you do that in one take, or is it like multiple takes? Because props to you, dude. That's you've got some really good energy for the products. Let's get these things all taken out of here, and we'll talk about them a bit. All right. So here's some details about the REAX Tasker gloves by RevZilla. They have accordion style stretch ribbing, which offers finger flexibility. Reliable all leather construction takes the lesser gloves to task in terms of abrasion protection. They feature ergonomic pre-curved fit, touchscreen capable finger and thumb, 100% cowhide backhand, 0.8 to 0.9 millimeters thick, durable goat leather palm, digital leather palm and out-seamed reinforcement, flex ribbing on knuckles and back of hand, perforated leather, TPR protective finger inserts, vibration dampening palm pad insert, moisture wicking poly tricot lining, adjustable hook and loop closure, and a 2-year warranty on materials and workmanship. All right, after that beautiful bean footage, let's go ride with them real quick. Putting them on here for the first time. Oh man, yo, they they actually feel really nice. Love that, absolutely love that. I've had a fair share of gloves. They don't have like this Velcro piece right here, right? I don't like gloves that are too long, that come up to like here, right? I like them shorter in the wrist. And I like that they have like the Velcro because it's quick. It's super like fast and easy. You don't have to like run it through a little loop thing, pull it and tighten it. I also like the fact that they have that elastic kind of right there, because this, I don't use my watch while I'm riding, right? So I've got a smartwatch, and so I like to put it under the glove, so it fits under the glove, and that elastic kind of allows that. So the reason I like doing that is because whenever I've got my hands on bars, if it's back here and whatever like jacket, or if it's up like that and the watch is there, it blows the watch back. So I like that. They feel really good. All right, let's go ride with them. All right, so right off the bat, I can tell you something else that I like about them is that even though they are leather gloves, they don't take away from the feeling of you having control. Traditionally, I've had, I guess like you could call them like textile gloves with reinforcements in some areas, like the palms and stuff like that. And then I've got some colder weather gloves, and those colder weather gloves, whenever I wear them, I feel like I've got, I don't even know how to explain it. I feel like I can't feel the damn controls. I can't feel my brake lever as well. I can't feel the clutch lever as well. if you don't wear any gloves, you feel like really in touch with the bike, right? You can feel like the grippiness of the grips and all that stuff. But usually I wear, like I said, textile gloves, and I've got these cold weather gloves, and whenever I wear those things, they just feel like, they feel bulky, you know? They're not I don't know what the word is I'm trying to look for here. They basically like put me out of touch with the bike. I don't feel like I have as much control. It's just kind of feels like I have like all thumbs, you know? Like I don't have the precision of pressing stuff like with my index finger or my thumb or anything. And so these don't feel like that. These feel very precise. As they break in, you know, they'll kind of settle in because the leather is still new and hard. I will say they don't feel, my hands don't feel claustrophobic in these things. I don't know if you guys are going to understand what I'm saying by that, but previously I tried on a set of Dainese gloves, and man, they're just freaking beautiful gloves. I really like them a lot. I didn't end up buying them because whenever I put my hands in them, they just felt like too stiff and claustrophobic, right? Like I felt like, oh shit, if I panicked, I wouldn't be able to get my hands out of them or something like that. Is that weird, you know, saying like I feel like my hands get claustrophobic? But these are nice because, man, they fit so well. I really like the padding there. I mean, obviously the reinforcements here. If you do go down, like whenever I went down on my Grom on the damn go-kart track, quick clip right here for you guys that don't know what I'm talking about. The first thing you put out is your hands. You fall down, you're using your hands to catch you. It's just like a normal human reaction. So having that support there, man, that's really smart. Obviously, it's going to keep you from skinning up your hands. I really like, obviously, the knuckles on them, just in case you got to bust some heads. I'm sure that's not what it's for. Yeah, even just on this ride, I know those cold weather gloves, whenever I wear those things, my hands start to sweat. So as of right now, my hands are not sweating because it is, I believe it's perforated leather, right? Yeah, it's perforated. Like I can feel, holding them like this, you know, holding them like that, I can feel wind. I can feel there's airflow on my hands under the gloves, which is really super nice. Man, I'm actually pretty impressed, to be honest. And they're not that expensive, you know, like why the hell have I been buying all these like cheapy gloves for so long whenever this was an option? Well, I guess this wasn't really an option. They're haven't had them for a long time. Pretty new to the market. But yeah, man, these are nice. I do like whenever you squeeze your hands, it doesn't feel like they're really restricted. I know with a lot of gloves, they do feel like really stiff, but these don't feel like that at all. And I bet they're gonna feel so much better like after I break them in too, you know? I'm gonna start wearing these. Yeah, definitely. What else? Yeah, I don't know. They're breathable. They feel great. They seriously like feel really, really super good. Still feel in touch with the bike. I don't feel like I've got, you know, a bunch of padding on my hands and like I can't feel what the hell I'm doing with my controls. Definitely a good thing. I like them. I like them a lot. Taking them off. Oh, look at that. I've got some black leathery goodness. Some residue. Normally I leave my gloves on my bike outside and I don't care. But I'm not going to do that with these. These are nice. Alright, I'm going to grab some food real quick. Grab me a sub. I'll be right back. Yeah, man, the gloves go on super nice. That was a good lunch. Dude, I am continually impressed by, there's this chick that works in there, and she remembers who I am and my order to the T, like every single time. And I haven't been here in like 3 to 4 months. Totally crazy. Man, I feel like she could be using that talent, like, I don't know, on the stock market or something. Be rich as hell. That's totally insane, like, to have a memory like that. Anyways, back to the gloves, right? They go on super easy. Overall, I'm impressed with them. I like them a lot. They're definitely going to take over as like my gloves that I grab when I ride, so that should say something. They're nice. I like them a lot. Thank you, RevZilla, for sending them out for me to check out. I appreciate it. Quality gloves, man. Anyways, for the company REAX, I do have a video filmed for their jacket, which is really super nice. I'm going to be doing a review of that, basically like while riding and stuff, tell you guys how it feels and all that. But there is a first look video on that. This is a first look video for these gloves. For my review videos, I usually like to try stuff out for a little bit before I actually post up, you know, just to give you guys like an honest review of the item. I mean, you can review an item like right off the bat, but to me, it's like if you actually want to give it like a decent, honest review, you got to use it. You know, so that's what I'm going to try and do with the jacket. And then obviously I'm going to do a follow-up review with these gloves. I need to do a review on these boots. I've been wearing them for a while. But man, there's a lot of gear. You guys are definitely interested in a lot of the gear that I wear. Anyways, I don't know. You guys post up in the comments below. Let me know y'all's thoughts on these gloves. If you'd scoop up a pair. If you guys are interested in scooping up a pair, there is a link down in the description below to them. I will also include links to the other items I've reviewed for REAX and RevZilla. But yeah, I guess those are my first thoughts and impressions on them. I like them. We'll see how they hold up. I'm expecting good things. They feel good. Like I said, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Once again, big thanks to RevZilla for sending them out. Shout out to High Vis Brian for getting in touch. Much appreciated. Yeah, they feel really nice. Once again, I'm of the mindset, because of the attention to the details and stuff, that they're actually made by people that ride motorcycles, you know, so they know what they're doing, just like the jacket. So yeah, I'm impressed. I like them. Good job, REAX. We're about to put these gloves to the rev bomb test. Let's see how they rev bomb. Yeah, they did good. Not bad. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch y'all later. Deuces.